Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to study about increment and decrement operator. So let's get started. Increment operator increment the value of a variable by 1 and decrement operator decrement the value of a variable by 1. There are two types of increment operator, pre-increment operator and post-increment operator. Similarly, pre-decrement operator and post-decrement operator. So guys, let's see what is different between these operators. Let us declare two variable a and b. Let's say a and b, both of these contains a value of 0. In this way we can assign a same value to multiple variables of same type. So now both a and b contains a value of 0. This is something known as pre-increment operator, and this is known as post-increment operator. First variable, then increment operator. Post-increment operator and first increment operator, then variable, pre-increment operator. Both of these increment the value of a variable by 1. What is the difference? Let's see. Let's see you display this value of a is end of line. We forgot to put double quotes here, that is why it's doing error. So we have to also put semicolon. Why? Because each and every statement of a C++ program ends with semicolon. So you have to place semicolon at end of each statement. So let's copy this one more time. And remove this plus plus it. So value of a is 1, value of a is 1. See here. This is something known as pre-increment operator. Pre-increment operator increment the value of a variable by 1. So it has incremented the value of this variable by 1. So it contains 0, 0 plus 1, 1. So 1 is displayed on the screen. Here we are also playing the value of a. So now a contains 1, so 1 is displayed on the screen. Now this is known as post increment operator. Let's see what is happening now. See here. Now the value of a is 0 is displayed. We are increment the value of a, but 0 is displayed. Why? Because this is post increment operator. It means it will first display the value of this variable and then it will increment the value of this variable. So first 0 is displayed on the screen, then it has incremented the value of a. So in next line the value of a is 1 is displayed. That is why in next line 1 is displayed. So this is the basic difference between pre-increment and post-increment operator. This increment operator increment the value of a, but not in the same line. In the next line it will increment. It means it will first display the value of a, then it will increment the value of a. So it has first displayed the value of a, that is 0 on the console window, and then in next line it has incremented the value of a by 1. Similarly, pre-decrement operator. Let's execute this program. Value of a is -1, value of a is -1. Why? A contains 0, 0 minus 1, -1. So -1 is displayed on the console window. Notice here it is decrement operator. So it will first decrement the value of a, then it will display the value of a on console window. So it has first decrement the value of a by 1. So -1 is displayed, and in the next line value a contains -1. So -1 is displayed on the screen. Now let's see if we post decrement the value of a. See now, value of a is 0. Now 0 is displayed. Why? We have decrement the value of a, but it is showing 0. Why? Because this is a post decrement operator. It will first display the value of variable a on the console window, then it will decrement the value of this variable. So it has first displayed the value of a, that is 0, on the console window, then it has decremented. So next line the value of a becomes -1. So in the same line its value will be same 0, and in the next line its value will be decremented. So it will first display the value of a on the console window, then it will decrement the value of a. Let's see the difference more clearly. Let us suppose I assign the value of a and post decremented it. See what's happened. So 1 is displayed. We are displaying the value of a. So a value of a is 1, a value of a is 1. Here we have to display the value of variable b to see the difference. I am displaying b to see the difference. See, 0, 0 is displayed. Here we have to display the value of a. Now let's execute this program. See, this is something known as post increment operator. A contains 0. The post increment operator it will first assign the value of variable a to b, then it will increment the value of variable a. In post increment operator, it will first assign the value of variable a to b, then it will increment the value of a. So see out the value of b we have to see your value of b is 0. So value of b is 0. Why? The post decrement operator first assign the value of variable a to b, then it will increment the value of a. So a contains 0. So 0 is assigned to b, then it has increment the value of a, 0 plus 1, 1. So the value of b is 0 is displayed on the screen. The value of a is 1 is displayed. Why 1? Because it has increment the value of a by 1. But because it was post increment operator, it has first assigned the value of a to b, that is 0. So value of b 0 is displayed on the screen. Let's pre-increment the value of a. Now 1 is displayed. In pre-increment operator, it will first increment the value of a, then it will assign the value of a to b. See, a contains 0, so it has first incremented the value of a. 0 plus 1, 1. So 1 is assigned to b, so 1 value of b is 1, value of a is also 1. Here value of a has incremented by 1, so 1 is displayed. So in pre-increment operator, first value of variable is incremented, then the value of variable is assigned to other variable. So this was the basic difference between pre-increment and post-increment operator. Now let's pre-decrement this value. See, minus 1 is displayed. Why? Because pre-decrement operator first decrement the value of the variable, then it will assign the value of a to b. So it has first decremented the value of a by 1, and then it has assigned the value of a to b. So 0 minus 1, value of b becomes minus 1, so minus 1 is displayed on the screen. A contains 0, 0 minus 1, minus 1, so value of a is also becomes minus 1. Let's pre-decrement this variable a. Let's execute this program. See, now 0 and minus 1 is displayed. Why? In post decrement operator, the value of the variable is first assigned to the value of a is first assigned to the b, and then it will decrement the value of a. So first a contains 0, 0 is assigned to b, and then it has decremented the value of b. So first the value of b is 0 is displayed on the screen, then the value of a is minus 1, so now it has decremented the value of a by 1, 0 minus 1, minus 1. So this is the basic difference between pre-decrement and post-decrement operator. So this is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe Programming Languages. Goodbye.